Bitcoin is now below 28,000. Ethereum is trying to break 1,700. Based on my powerful data, I'm now bearish for cryptocurrency for the next couple of months. So stay tuned. I will share all my insight of the direction for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Thank you. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. Every week I provide market update for cryptocurrency, forex market and stock market. If you like what we do, I would personally love to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you hit the bell icon. That way you won't miss any trading opportunity. Let's dive right in on cryptocurrency market. Right, this is the commitment of trader data, okay? What is commitment of traders? It tracks the smart money flow on the cryptocurrency and other asset class. But today we're focusing on the Bitcoin commitment of trader data. Very, very simple. This column here tracks the commercial position, which I refer it as the smart money. Red line here, smashing higher and higher, is the short contract, meaning they are putting money to sell Bitcoin, right? Is it quite close to the all-time high, or has it broken the all-time high? Very, very close, okay? So a little bit higher will make an all-time high on short contract. That's why I'm bearish. Another major factor is they are also continue to drop the long contract. So money are flowing out from the Bitcoin commitment of trader data. Therefore, I'm bearish. Let's get stuck into the actual chart. Okay, this is the actual Bitcoin chart. If you notice, we have already broken the head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern is a reversal pattern, and on the daily is major. Pay attention. Now also the 15-20 EMA is about to cross. Wouldn't surprise me, price bounce and then reject this neckline area, and then I'll probably look to sell it to around 25 on Bitcoin. So I'm gonna use my broker IG to sell it. If you are a member of us, I will show you when exactly I'm going to sell it. Besides, I have already liquidated all my position in around the 29,000 area. Did I have a crystal ball to predict the future? No, I didn't. I just follow my plan, being disciplined and trust my trading system, which in the coming days, I will do a full review on how I use my trading system on cryptocurrency. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe. That way you won't miss out on that next video. Okay, so this is Bitcoin chart. What about Ethereum? Let me just get the Ethereum chart out. Ethereum, you can see we are still having this slightly bigger head and shoulder pattern. Haven't broken, I call the support area around this 1700 area. If it breaks below, I look to be a seller, back down to around this 1300 area. Then I may turn into a buyer, start buying some around this area, because you know, even though it could drop to 1200 or 1000, I'll buy more at that area. This is just buy low and sell high method, buy the dip, and then I'm happy to hold on to it. But you've got to be prepared. When you're buying something like this, you have the money allocated not to touch it for at least a year's time or two, because I do not know when exactly it will go back up. But short term, I will be looking to sell Ethereum and Bitcoin anyway. If you guys have other cryptocurrency would like us to cover, drop us a comment. Otherwise, see you guys next week. Thank you.